Alright, so what we have here is a Hyundai 2007. It's got a charging issue, so we're going to take a look and fix it. So here we are, we're going to start the vehicle. When you have this battery sign, that means your battery is not charging. So 90% of the time it's the alternator. So we're gonna take a look what's the condition, or what is it the alternator look like. Alright, so here we are at the engine bay. It's a V6 3.3 liter. um, so you can see the condition of the alternator. It's soaked with oil because the valve cover gasket here, it's leaking oil. As you can see, it's really wet from here. You can see here, not sure if you can see it, but it's really wet down there. But the major leak is in here on this corner and goes straight to the alternator. And in my opinion, that's what caused the alternator to fail. And so this vehicle has not been maintained for a little while, so it is what it is. So yeah.